In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror iPhone to any TV without Apple AirPlay. So if you have any smart TV that does not support or does not have the Apple AirPlay feature, this video should still help you connect or cast your iPhone screen to your TV without the Apple AirPlay feature. I'll be taking you through 3 solutions that will still enable you screen mirror or screencast your iPhone to any TV at all without the Apple AirPlay feature or Apple TV. Now to the first solution, you want to make sure that both your smart TV and your iPhone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So if you come over to the settings of my Samsung smart TV over here and then just scroll down to the general settings over here, click on network settings and then come over to open network settings, come over to wireless Wi-Fi, and then I just want to make sure that my TV is actually connected to a Wi-Fi or a hotspot network. As you can see over here, mine is now currently connected to Redmi 12, which is basically my hotspot and I'm using as my Wi-Fi in this particular case. And if you come over to my iPhone and then just swipe down to this control center, come over to the Wi-Fi settings and then make sure that my Wi-Fi is actually turned on and also connected to that same Wi-Fi network or hotspot network. As you can see, my iPhone is now being connected to that same Wi-Fi network that my TV over here is connected to. Now once that is done on your iPhone, you want to head over to the App Store and then look for the app known as Replica. And from here, you want to make sure you download and install this Replica app into your iPhone. I'll just go ahead and download mine. And once the Replica app is done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. Now from here, you just want to go ahead and click on continue and then click on continue as well. Now click on allow and then click on continue, click on allow. And on this page, you're going to be asked to purchase the app, but you can actually close this by just clicking on the cancel icon at the top right corner of your iPhone, just like so. And now the Replica app is looking for devices you can actually connect to. And from over here, you can literally see my smart TV, which is actually this 32-inch Samsung smart TV. So go ahead and select your TV just like so, and then click on screen mirroring. And again, the app is going to ask you to purchase it. Basically, you just want to go ahead and click on the cancel button at the top and then click on start broadcast. And now, once you go back to the home of your TV, you should get a notification at the top asking you for the permission to screen mirror your phone to the TV. And once you click on accept, automatically your iPhone will start screen mirroring and displaying everything on the TV. And as you can see, it actually works pretty well. But trust me, this is actually a very slow screencasting. But then it works pretty well. So you can go ahead and start playing music, videos from your phone and they will be displayed on your TV even though you do not have the Apple AirPlay. Now this is just one method to screen mirror or screencast your iPhone to any TV without Apple AirPlay. So if this does not work out pretty well for you, you want to go ahead and try the second method. For the second solution, also you want to make sure that both your iPhone and any TV you have are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And once that is done, you want to head over to the App Store once again and then make sure you download the iMedia app over here into your iPhone. Once the app is downloaded, you can go ahead and open it up just like so and then click on the allow button, click on allow full access. Now from the home page over here, you want to go ahead and click on either your videos or your photos or music, anything you want to cast to your TV. Just go ahead and select it. Then go ahead and click on the photo row. In my case, I want to cast this image to my TV. So I'll just go ahead and select it just like so. And then go ahead and select your TV from the top over here. And then just click on it. And automatically I am now being able to cast my photo from my iPhone over here to my TV, even though I do not have the Apple AirPlay. Also, I can go ahead and do this for videos on my iPhone and even music and even Wi-Fi network as well. And for the last option, you want to go ahead and get this device that is known as Chromecast. Now mind you, this is actually different from the official Google Chromecast. It has different names. Some are actually called Miracast and some are called just Chromecast. But basically, I'll be leaving link to this particular device in the description of this video so you can get one for yourself. Trust me, they're actually very cheap. And basically, this is how it looks like. It has this dongle over here, and what you just want to do is to go ahead and connect one end of this cable, which is actually this micro USB cable over here. Just go ahead and connect it to the device, and then you want to go ahead and connect this other end to the power source. You can connect it to any of the USB ports on your TV as well, and then connect this end to the HDMI port on your TV. Once the device is connected to your TV, you'll be taken to this page, and once you get to this page, you want to come over to your iPhone, scroll over to this notification center, and then come over to your Wi-Fi settings. So just come over to this Wi-Fi settings, and then make sure that your iPhone is actually connected to this device's hotspot, which is actually Wi-Fi display over here. Go ahead and select it, and then enter the same password that is displayed at the top of the device over here. Once that is done, you want to go ahead and click on the join button, and now you want to come over to your browser and then go ahead and visit this link over here on the device. And once you enter the numbers over here at the bottom of the device on your iPhone, you just want to go ahead and click on the go button. Now go ahead and select your Wi-Fi network and then enter your Wi-Fi password over here. So I'll just go ahead and enter mine, then click on the OK button. And now to screen mirror any video or image on your iPhone, you just want to go ahead and select the iPhone, click over here, and then just go ahead and select AirPlay, and automatically your iPhone will start displaying everything on your TV. And that you can see, it works absolutely well on my TV over here. Trust me, this device actually works perfectly well, and you can use it to view any video from your iPhone, and it will be displayed on any TV you have. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.